Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clarifying the goal. What relationship or pattern must the graph reveal? Next, gather the precise data source, CSV, spreadsheet, or query, and inspect column names. Once done, remove obvious duplicates and mark missing values because clean input prevents misleading visuals. Also make sure units match, for example kilograms versus grams, and convert if needed. This first step sets everything up, so your plotting choices later actually answer the question you began with. You now select the appropriate graph type based on the goal. For example, pick line charts for time trends and scatter plots for relationships. Then transform the data. Aggregate by day or compute rolling averages and normalize values when ranges differ. Make sure to set axis scales, linear versus log, and pick readable label text. Once done, assign color or size encodings to variables to add meaning, and keep visual hierarchy clear so viewers immediately grasp the main pattern. You finalize by rendering the chart in your chosen tool, adjusting ticks, grid lines, and legend placement for readability. Once rendered, verify accuracy. Cross-check a few plotted points with raw rows, confirm labels match units, and ensure color legends are correct. If you plan to share, export at the target resolution and add a concise caption describing the data source and time period. Troubleshooting tip: if data looks wrong, rerun the aggregation on a small sample to find where values diverged.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.